Dental implants are now the most popular choice for patients suffering from missing several or one of their teeth. Implants provide a long-lasting, appealing alternative to bridges and dentures. However, what are the steps for obtaining dental implants? In this instructional video, we'll break down the procedures needed to obtain dental implants so that you get a better idea of the process. 1. Initial consultation. The first step towards getting dental implants is to set up an initial consult with a qualified dentist or oral surgeon. The dentist will assess your jaw and mouth in order to determine if your jaw is suitable for implants. It is possible to take X-rays and 3D images of your mouth in order to obtain an accurate picture of your jawbone as well as teeth. 2. Treatment plan. If the dentist determines that you're a great implant candidate, they'll develop the treatment plan specifically to your needs. The treatment plan will include the number of implants that you require, the types of implants to be employed, as well as the timing for the procedure. 3. Tooth extraction, if needed. If you've got an untreated tooth that must be extracted prior to the time when an implant can be put in, then the dentist will do the extraction. The procedure can take place at the same time as implant surgery or at the course of a separate appointment. You must follow all post-extraction treatment instructions given by your dentist in order to guarantee an effective healing. 4. Implant placement. The next stage of the procedure of a dental implant involves the placing of the implant inside the jawbone. The procedure is generally performed with local anesthesia in order to make sure that you're comfortable during the process. A dentist makes an incision through your gums in order so that the jawbone is exposed, and then make a small space where the implant will be set. The implant will be fitted into the hole before the gum will be stitched. 5. Healing and osseointegration. When the implant is inserted, it will begin to heal. It could take many months before the implant can fully integrate with your jawbone through a process known as the osseointegration. At this point, the implant becomes a permanent component of your jawbone. It will provide solid foundations for your new tooth. 6. Abutment placement. When the implant has completely joined to the jawbone, then the following step will be to attach the abutment. The abutment acts as a connector that is attached to the implant and helps hold the new tooth. This procedure usually takes place with local anesthetic and involves a slight cutting in the gums in order so that the implant can be seen. The abutment is then positioned upon top of the implant before the gum is close to the implant. 7. Crown placement. The final stage of the procedure of dental implants is the placing of the dental implant, also known as a crown. The crown is customized in order to be a perfect match for the size as well as the shape and shade of your own teeth, ensuring smooth appearance. The crown is attached to your attachment using the dental cement or screw depending on the type of implant. After the crown has been installed, then your dental implant is fully functional. 8. Post-procedure care. When your procedure for a dental implant is completed, after the procedure is completed, your dentist will provide the necessary instructions for how to take care of the implant you received to ensure its longevity. The care could involve regular flossing and brushing, along with scheduling routine visits to your dentist. It is essential to be sure to follow these steps carefully in order to avoid complications and to maintain the health of the dental implants you have. Implants are a complex process that requires the coordination and planning of both dentists and patients. Following the instructions in this instructional video, it will give you more of an idea of what you can expect to experience in the process of getting a dental implant, and you can feel comfortable in making the right choice to make a change in your smile by using dental implants. If you're thinking about implant dentistry, you should make sure to set up a consultation with a professional dentist who can talk about your options and formulate the treatment plan that is the best for your needs.